What's up, guys? Welcome to the Freedomtion channel, and today I'll be playing Brutal Mania, and this is a game I'd like to play at school with my friends during IE, but now that school's out because of the coronavirus, and now it's summer break, playing it in front of you guys. So, enjoy. Round 1. Please don't tell me there's an advertisement. Ooh, what's this? Rain on a hand. Oh, it's a cranberry commercial. I'll save the turtles. Finally. And there's someone with the moon sword, and I'm gonna kill him. That was easy. I almost died there, but got back up. And I'm gonna kill this dude. This is a new weapon I've never seen before. And I just killed him. Come on, double team him, double team him. Double kill. Let's go. And I've killed 20 enemies. Complete the challenge. Oh, it's a monkey with a stick. I wonder what he's gonna do. This man better not steal my kill. It's my kill. It's my kill. And I'm gonna leave because I don't want him to kill me. Need to regain strength. Come on. Staying alive, staying alive. Ha, ha, ha. I need to stay alive, and I'm not gonna go for that dude because he has a good sword and he has good health. What do you want from me? I'm gonna kill you, I'm gonna kill you. Well, got a lot of kills. Maybe my highest. 8 kills. It's 1 kill away from my highest. And I just got a mystery box. What is it? Okay. I'm going to go here, open 712 coins. Okay, so I'm gonna go to upgrades because I should have something, and I'm gonna upgrade that, and I'm gonna get the heavy mace. Yeah, that was a good round and got me a lot of coins, and I just upgraded my weapon, and now I have to upgrade something else. And is that it? Okay, so I'm at level 9, I'm gonna save up for the new skin. For the bandit. Another advertisement. Ooh, it's a car. Wow. My goal is to get the most kills That was first kill. Easy, only got hit once. And I'm gonna kill this dude who has the same weapon as me, but a terrible skin. Come at me, bro. You're scared. You're scared. You're scared. You're scared. You're scared. You're scared. Yeah, that's what you get when you're scared. Ooh, it's a brawl. It's a brawl. And this may get me a ton of kills. Man, this is a good round. A really good round. Oh yeah. Scared. Scaredy, bro. Yeah, I stole your kill, and I'm gonna steal your life. You're trash, even though you took a lot of damage from me. Yeah, you thought you could kill me. Okay, this has got to be my highest game. And I may have gotten my goal. And I'm not gonna bother the purple sword dude because your weapons are overpowered. Come on, you stole my kill. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. And nope, overpowered weapon is attacking me. I almost got him. How many kills was that? 18 kills. That has got to be the highest. No way. What the heck are you doing in my room? Well, since you joined this video then. Okay, that'll wrap up the video. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Bye.